In this video, I'm going to show you how you can insert charts in Google Slides. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to this channel. Alright, so to insert any type of chart, it is pretty simple. Just head over to the slide that you want to insert the chart. Then head over to this option called Insert. And down here, you can see we have charts. Under this, you can see we have quite a number of charts. Go ahead and choose your type. So we have an option to add bar charts, column, line charts, as well as a pie chart. You can also go ahead and insert a chart from spreadsheet if you have one. So if you click on any of them, look at that, the process will begin. And now the chart has been inserted. Now from here, you can edit it. You can even open the source of this chart. If you click on this ellipsis here, you can open the source. You can even unlink objects from this chart and make necessary edits. So that's how you can insert charts on your Google Slides. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.